IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Has technology made your life easier or more complicated? Band 5. Answer.
I think technology makes life easier, but sometimes it is also complicated. For example, my phone helps me talk to people, but when it stops working, I don't know what to do. I feel technology is good, but it can confuse me.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas. Some hesitation. Limited development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Repetitive wording. Grammar. Mostly simple grammar, with noticeable errors. Pronunciation. Understandable, but with some unclear sounds. Typical of a Band 5. Meaning is conveyed, but accuracy, range, and fluency are limited. Band 7.5 Answer.
I'd say technology has mostly made my life easier because it saves me a lot of time. For example, I can manage my schedule, shop online, and stay in touch with friends instantly. However, I admit it becomes complicated when there are constant updates or technical problems. Overall, the benefits still outweigh the challenges for me.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well-developed ideas with natural flow. Lexical resource, varied vocabulary such as updates, manage, outweigh. Grammar, good range of structures with mostly accurate use. Pronunciation, clear, natural, and easy to understand. Typical of a Band 7.5, strong control of language with only occasional lapses. Band 9 Answer.
Without a doubt, technology has made my life significantly easier. It streamlines almost every aspect of my daily routine, from automating reminders to simplifying communication and access to information. That said, when complications do arise, they usually reflect human error rather than the technology itself. In general, it has enhanced my productivity and given me far more convenience than I could have imagined.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, sophisticated, fully developed response. Lexical resource, precise and advanced vocabulary like streamlines, automating, productivity. Grammar, wide range with full accuracy. Pronunciation, natural, nuanced, and completely comprehensible. Typical of a Band 9, mastery across all criteria with no noticeable weaknesses. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.